Welcome to Creepy Corner, your destination for bone-chilling tales of horror. In today's video, we bring you two terrifying, gripping stories that will keep you on the edge of your seat. But before we jump into these terrifying encounters, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more horror videos like these. Story 1. Unseen control, bound by shadows, controlled by darkness. Once a happy and carefree individual, I had become a mere shadow of my former self. Gone were the days of laughter and joy, replaced by an overwhelming sense of dread that seemed to permeate every aspect of my existence. It all began when I moved into my new apartment a few months ago. Initially, everything appeared normal, but soon enough, strange occurrences started to unfold. Objects would inexplicably shift positions. Eerie whispers would echo through the rooms in the dead of night, and a deep-seated unease settled within me, as if something sinister lurked just beneath the surface. At first, I dismissed these phenomena as figments of my imagination, an overactive mind conjuring up irrational fears. But as time went on, the sense of something dwelling within me grew stronger. It was as if an unseen force had taken residence in my very being, usurping my autonomy and plunging me into an abyss of darkness. Gradually, I felt an overwhelming loss of control over my own body. Unpredictable mood swings would engulf me, and there were instances where I would awaken from a state of unconsciousness, devoid of any recollection of my actions during those periods. One fateful night, as I lay in bed, a chilling sensation gripped me from within. It was as if an ethereal hand reached up, clawing at my insides, striving to pull me into its sinister grasp. My screams of terror were rendered mute, trapped within the confines of my own throat. I was paralyzed, drowning in the depths of my own flesh and bones. The following morning, I awoke weakened and fatigued, a mere shell of my former self. Desperation seeped into my every pore as I realized I needed assistance. Yet I felt lost, unsure of where to seek solace. Doctors and therapists proved fruitless, unable to provide any tangible explanation for my torment. Days turned into weeks, and I continued to suffer in agonizing silence. Fear gnawed at my sanity, taunting me with the notion that I was descending into madness. But one fateful night, pushed to the brink of desperation, I mustered the courage to cry out for help, and to my astonishment, I heard a voice in response. The voice was guttural, emanating from within the depths of my own being. It identified itself as a malevolent demon, lurking within me all along, feeding off my fears and anxieties. It reveled in the terror it inflicted upon me and revealed its intention to seize complete control. I knew then that I had to fight back, to reclaim my body from the clutches of this ancient evil. But as I grappled with the demon's relentless grip, I realized the enormity of the task at hand. It was a battle I could not win alone, for the darkness within me had grown too powerful. All my efforts proved futile. The demon's insatiable hunger devoured my very essence, leaving behind a hollow vessel devoid of humanity. Though my body continued to walk this earth, it was no longer mine. It became an instrument of chaos and malevolence, an embodiment of the demon's sinister intentions, forever bound to unleash havoc upon an unsuspecting world. Story 2. Whispering Woods. The Enigma of the Haunted Cabin. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting an eerie glow over the forest, the once tranquil woods transformed into a realm of darkness and mystery. The air grew heavy with an inexplicable sense of foreboding, as if the very essence of the forest had awakened to tell its chilling tales. Lost amidst the dense foliage, I stumbled upon a dilapidated cabin, hidden away from the prying eyes of the world. The decaying structure stood as a haunting reminder of a forgotten era, its secrets locked away within its weathered walls. With trepidation, I pushed open the creaking door, unleashing a symphony of whispers that echoed through the silence. Inside, An unsettling aura pervaded the atmosphere. The dim light struggled to penetrate the shroud of gloom, casting elongated shadows that danced eerily across the room. The walls, adorned with cryptic symbols of unknown origin, seemed to pulsate with supernatural energy. Every step I took reverberated through the ancient floorboards, intensifying the sense of impending doom. A hushed whisper brushed against my ear, sending a chill down my spine. I turned, my eyes darting frantically, but found no source for the disembodied voice. Panic surged within me as the whispers grew in intensity, mocking and malevolent. Fear rooted me to the spot, my legs refusing to carry me to safety. Enveloped in a macabre symphony of whispers and the frigid touch of unseen entities, I realized I was trapped within the grasp of the supernatural. Invisible forces lurked in the shadows, their icy breath caressing my neck, their ethereal presence suffocating. The realization struck me like a bolt of lightning. I was not alone in this forsaken place. Footsteps echoed through the cabin, each one magnifying the thunderous rhythm of my pounding heart. The anticipation reached its zenith as the figure emerged from the darkness, its features concealed by the veil of uncertainty. Just as the mysterious presence was about to reveal itself, I jolted awake, my body drenched in a cold sweat. But something felt amiss. A lingering sense of unease hung in the air as I surveyed the room, my eyes drawn to the open window. The night breeze whispered its secrets, carrying with it an unsettling message. The footprints leading away from the window served as a chilling reminder that my nightmare may have been more than just a figment of my imagination. Now, with a gnawing sense of trepidation, I can't help but feel the presence of an unknown entity lurking beyond the confines of the cabin. Its malevolent gaze fixed upon me, patiently awaiting its chance to breach the threshold and unleash its sinister intentions. The whispering woods hold their secrets close, and I am left to ponder the enigma that lies within their depths.